Hi, my name is Doug Altermatt. My Graduate with Honors project is a Node.js Express server set up to pair to my React App Portfolio project, which is set up to list machines for sale. A little bit of project background. This is a Node.js and Express app, like I mentioned. Uses cookie parser, cores, Express, Express session, Jade, JSON web token, Mongoose with passport, Mongoose currency, Morgan middleware, and Nodeman. First thing I'd like to take you to and show you is my schemas. My schemas are in the models. What a model and a schema is, it provides a way to model and enforce the structure of data in a systematic and organized manner. It ensures data consistency and helps improve the data integrity. As you can see here under the types, you can pick several different types. You can do string, you can do Boolean, you can do numbers. You can make it required so that the field has to be there in order to post it. As you can see here, the one field I did not require was cut because in this scenario they're machines and maybe the machine doesn't cut, maybe it throws. And then I would like to move on to the for sale page router. I'd like to show here for sale page router.route. You'll notice it's a big old slash there, but that's being pulled in from my app.js under the app use. So if you look at app use, it's saying, hey, use my for sale page, and the for sale page router goes with that. So if we go back to my for sale page router, you'll find anyone can get info on the machines listed, but you have to be logged in to post. In order to put or delete, you're going to then need to be a verified admin. On the delete up here, it's not just one, it's take them all out. If you scroll down here, one of the things I'm most proud of is on the delete for the item or the ID number, you will notice that you have to be the author, the post author, in order to delete. And if you're not the author, you're not authorized to delete this post. One other thing I'd like to touch on is cores. I like cores. It's a cross-origin resource sharing. It's a security feature implemented by web browsers that restricts the ability of a web page to make requests to a different domain than the one it originated from. Um, yeah, many uses for this. Up here you can see on my cores here is a whitelist. So say you're expecting data from a particular website, you would add it to the whitelist and that would let the cores know that, hey, this one's safe. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you on part 2.
Okay, thank you very much for making it to part 2. I just wanted to show you how Postman works for testing. I'm going to go ahead and do a GET request to the for sale page. It should allow anyone to get the information. So we've got the machine information there. Let's go ahead and try to do a delete request, keeping in mind we are not locked in. And we got an unauthorized, so we know that's working properly. Let's go ahead and do a, let's go ahead and log in. So we're going to do a users login. And then in the body, you can see I've got fancy, cryptic email, username, password. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you can see from there, hey, success, that worked. So we're going to go ahead and take that into a raw format. We're going to copy that bearer token. We're going to go ahead and stick it into the bearer token authorization. And this should give us admin rights. So now we can go back to, let's go to users. And it should allow us to see all of the users on a GET request. There you go, there's the users. From there, let's go ahead and try to see if it'll let us post on for sale page. And inside the body, I went ahead and made up a test for it already, so we're going to copy that. We're just going to put it in there. And we're going to go ahead and post to the for sale page. You can see the information posted. If we go back to a GET request on the for sale page, you will see that the one we just posted is there, ID number 1000. So that's pretty cool. Another thing we can do is we can do a delete request since we're in here as an admin. And if everything works right, it should delete everything in there. And yep, deleted 4, said everything went okay, counted 4. Thank you for watching. Just say some challenges I overcame was figuring out how to use Postman properly as far as how to do the testing. Trial and error helped with most of this. Google helped with the rest. Thanks for your time in viewing my submission for my honors project. My next project will be to work on my other React app more to polish it up and get prepped for job hunting.